Well, my YouTube, it's your Molly, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got ready. So it's like a get ready with me. So please just keep watching and you will see the whole this little fit that I put together. Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, so I started off just putting some setting powder on my face. So that's my bare face, put some setting powder on it. And I used the Huda Beauty setting powder in banana bread. And then I went and did my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil in granite. So you guys can see I don't have any concealer on it yet, so it's still looking rough. So yeah, concealer really is the thing to get your brows looking decent. So yeah, I put some concealer on my brows and then they were looking like brows. Now I just put my foundation on. So I had two foundations on. I had the back opal stick foundation, and I had the darker shade was beautiful bronze, and the lighter shade was, honestly, I think it's hazelnut. Honestly, I don't remember. I think the lighter shade was hazelnut. Yeah. Or honey. This is kind of bad that I don't know what the lighter shade was, because I really need to buy my makeup and now I don't know what to buy. That is sad. But yeah, after I did all of that, then I just blended it in. And blending in your makeup is so important. If you don't know how to blend your makeup, then it won't look like skin. And I feel like I got the gist of blending my makeup. You just wet it and like really just push it into your skin, like tap instead of wiping, because that's how I used to do my makeup at first. I used to like just try to wipe the makeup all over my face, and it wouldn't look as good as it does when I do it with a tap motion. So that's how I do my makeup now. I do taps. So yeah, I finished tapping in my makeup and my skin, and now I just go over everything with some more setting powder. And yeah, now my makeup is starting to look like I'm wearing makeup. So yeah, that's like my little trick. I feel like that's really it. Everything else is just like extra stuff like contouring and lashes and stuff like that. But the main thing is just having a decent foundation, especially if you have like skin that's not perfect, like how my skin's not perfect. Just having a nice foundation routine is everything, like honestly. Okay, so I think now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of contouring and a little bit of highlighting. Really minimal highlighting and contouring on my part. I usually do like a little highlight on my nose, as you guys see I'm doing right now. And yeah, that should get like that button nose look type vibe. So yeah, I usually do that, and I put a lot more powder underneath my eyes. I don't know, powder underneath your eyes really just makes you look like you know how to do your makeup. Like even when I'm doing like my everyday makeup and I put some powder on my eyes, it's like vibes. I just look so much better. But yeah, that's the gist of everything. And now I'm going ahead and putting my lashes on. These are the Luxe by Envy lashes in Velvet Rose. Honestly, Luxe by Envy, y'all are the shits, okay? Because y'all lashes be looking so goddamn good for no reason. And these lashes can be found at the beauty supply store, which is Perfect. But sometimes I just buy myself on Amazon, so I don't have to go outside. But yeah, these lashes are amazing. They have a lot of different designs in the Luxe by Envy lashes, and I really want to try some other ones. But these are the Velvet Rose, and these are such nice lashes. Like these are very glam. Like they have ones that are even more glam than this one, which I'm kind of scared to try because it's like more glam than this. But yeah, I really love these lashes, and they're so easy to find. These are like my second favorite brand of lashes. I have my first favorite, but I rarely wear those. I really wear those for like, if I'm trying to be like big cute, I try to wear those. But the Velux by Envy ones are perfect. Okay, so you guys saw that I went and did my little spotty spot, like try to make it like brighter with some liquid liner, and I put a red lip on. I honestly used a pencil to do my lip. Like, I didn't even use lipstick because I honestly don't own a red lipstick, which is sad. It's so sad. Every time I say I'm going to buy a red lipstick, I don't. And then this is me being extra, adding what's that again? Setting spray. I really don't add setting spray. I was stunting for the tube, honestly. Like, look at that. Look at those splotches. Like, I had no idea what I was doing. I really didn't, because what the heck is those wet spots on my face? Like, I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Usually when I see the girls do their setting spray, I feel like my setting spray is basically almost done. I really don't know anything about setting spray. I really was just trying to be extra. But yeah, that's me. I put some more powder over it, so that kind of saved the day, because I really was trying to stun for the YouTube. But yeah, I put some more setting powder on my face, and that kind of got rid of the little splotches from the setting spray, because I really had no idea what I was doing with that thing. But yeah, I feel like my makeup looks nice. I think I need to get that little spot away still. Okay, yeah, now it's gone. Yeah, I really liked my makeup. I really enjoyed my makeup. It wasn't like full coverage makeup, because I feel like you could still see spots on my face, especially like on my forehead. You can still see that it's not like perfect. Yeah, but that's fine. Okay, so this is how I went from that to this. I mean, mind you, this has a filter on it, so yeah. But that's basically my makeup routine.
Yeah, so I wasn't sure if I should go with my red purse or if I should go with my black purse. But I think just because of the red lip, I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the red purse, because it just, I don't know, it gives the look a little more oomph. I'm gonna try both of them for you guys so you guys can see it. This look right here. Yeah. It looks cute, and then we have this one right here. So it's like, I don't know, I feel like the red one gives it more of like a pop, like, it just looks better. I don't know, the black is, I don't know if it's like because there's no inserts in it right now or whatever, but I love the red. I love the red, even though I messed up my red, but I still love it. It looks so good with it. So I'm gonna let you guys see the full outfit, and yeah. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mickey Molly TV channel. And yeah, bye.